I insert a pin into the toothpaste, and I have a trick for a perfectly clean bathroom. My toilet always smells fresh and looks neat with minimal effort. Take a tube of mint toothpaste. Its ingredients have refreshing and antibacterial properties. Using a needle or pin, make small holes, one next to the other, all over the surface of the tube. Be careful not to puncture the tube all the way through. Just a gentle poke will do. Then, gently squeeze the tube so that the toothpaste starts to release, providing a long-lasting effect. Now place the toothpaste in the toilet tank and close the lid. With every flush, the water will gradually wash away a small amount of toothpaste, spreading a fresh, minty scent and helping to keep the toilet clean. If you use blue toothpaste, you'll see the water turn color. With this trick, your toilet will always smell fresh and be refreshed, saving you time on cleaning. A simple method, but the effect really makes a difference. Take some Coca-Cola and toothpaste. Watch what I'll do with them. Grab a roll of paper towels and start tearing off pieces. Fold those pieces and place them on the surface of the toilet bowl. Line the entire inside, ensuring the towels stick to the bowl and don't fall into the water. Now take the Coca-Cola. Open it, but don't drink it. Pour the Coca-Cola over the paper towels inside the bowl. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Once the time is up, come back and remove the dirty paper. Now scrub the bowl with a toilet brush. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which help dissolve limescale, rust, and other grime. For an extra shine and freshness, squeeze some toothpaste directly onto the bowl and scrub again. The toothpaste not only brightens the surface, but also leaves a pleasant scent. Enjoy a sparkling, clean, and fresh-smelling toilet with this simple method. I clean the washing machine regularly. Dirt and limescale disappear. The washing machine is clean, and the laundry always smells fresh. Apply toothpaste to the inner glass of the door. Take half a lemon and spread the paste. Do this especially at the edges, where residue from water and detergents often accumulates. Once you've cleaned the entire glass, toss the lemon into the washing machine drum. Now, focus on the door seal in the washing machine. This is the area where most dirt accumulates and mold. Sprinkle this area with baking soda. It will remove dirt, mold spores, and eliminate unpleasant odors. After doing this, close the washing machine. Open the detergent drawer and spray it with vinegar, all compartments. Vinegar removes limescale, detergent, residue, and mold. If you clean the washing machine irregularly, mold will never appear. Close the drawer and run the washing machine on a standard program. Toothpaste, lemon, baking soda, and vinegar will clean the interior of the washing machine and eliminate deposits and limescale. These ingredients also eliminate mold spores, which may be responsible for the unpleasant odor coming from the washing machine. When the washing machine finishes, open it and remove the lemon. You'll immediately notice that the entire interior shines. Wipe it dry, and it will be cleaner than ever. The detergent drawer will also be cleaner. During the next laundry cycle, you'll notice that your clothes will smell wonderfully. You don't have to worry about the smell of mustiness and mold. Recipe for homemade grout cleaner. After 15 minutes, they looked like new. It's incredibly effective and budget-friendly. The results are fantastic. In a bowl, pour 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Finally, add a teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything to achieve a paste-like consistency. Dirt, mold, and dust accumulate on grout lines. Their rough surface makes cleaning them difficult and time-consuming. Instead of scrubbing the grout with a brush, it's better to use the paste trick. Apply a thick layer of the mixture on dirty grout lines. Use a toothbrush for this purpose. The paste must cover the entire surface thoroughly. Leave it on for 15 minutes. If the grout lines are very dirty, you can extend this time up to an hour. After this time, remove the paste, wipe the floor with a wet cloth, and leave the grout lines. When they dry, you'll see a colossal difference. They'll regain their original color, and you won't have to scrub them. They'll be clean and mold-free. In the recording, You can see how huge the difference is. On the left is the grout cleaned with the paste, and on the right is the dirty grout. I do this once every few months, and my bathroom looks like new. This is how I make a real stone remover. Here's a recipe for a solution that effectively eliminates buildup in your home. Just combine 3 inexpensive ingredients to thoroughly clean surfaces covered with limescale and residue. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of table salt to a bowl. Salt has cleaning and whitening properties, making it easy to remove dirt and dissolve limescale. Next, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. Its gentle abrasive agents help remove deposits and stains. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Mix the ingredients well until a thick, uniform paste forms. Apply the prepared solution to surfaces with limescale and residue, ensuring full coverage. Let the product sit for a few minutes to dissolve the dirt. Then scrub the areas with a sponge, paying special attention to the most soiled spots. Finish by rinsing off the residue with water. After this treatment, all surfaces will shine with cleanliness, free from limescale and other dirt, or home. Apply toothpaste to the scissors. You'll be surprised how effective this method is. You'll sharpen your scissors quickly and easily at home. You'll do it thanks to toothpaste. The dullest scissors will cut like new. Every pair of scissors dulls and rusts with use. This creates a problem with cutting various things. But it can be changed. To sharpen scissors, you only need things you have at home. Start by using toothpaste. Any toothpaste you have at home will do. Apply toothpaste to the entire blade of the scissors. Take a paper towel and spread it over the scissors. Do it carefully. Coat the scissors with toothpaste on both sides. Leave the toothpaste on the scissors for about 5 minutes. After that time, take a clean, dry piece of paper and wipe the scissors. Toothpaste removes various stains perfectly. It degreases and removes stains. It also removes initial rust spots. Once you wipe the scissors with toothpaste, sharpening them will be much easier. You can do this with tools you have at home, like a screwdriver, for example. Try cutting it and dragging it across the metal. You won't believe it, but it sharpens the scissors perfectly. If you don't have such tools, take a piece of ordinary aluminum foil, fold it into several pieces and cut it. This is also how you sharpen any scissors. Scratched plates can be restored with a simple home trick. Before you stash them at the back of the cupboard and invest in new dishes, you should try this method. You might not realize it, but toothpaste is an excellent remedy for removing scratches, not only from plates and similar dishes, but also from cutlery. Toothpaste has numerous cleaning properties that can be utilized in various ways. To remove scratches from a plate using toothpaste, you'll first need a toothbrush. Squeeze some toothpaste onto the brush and then rub it into the scratched area. Scrub the plate in circular motions to gently smooth out the uneven surface. Once you're done, wipe off the toothpaste with a paper towel. Your plates will look as good as new. With this trick, you'll never have to throw away scratched dishes again.